We're working developing news on the circumstances behind the arrest of a man who is now in a coma. Eyewitness News was the first to report on the incident. We're told the man suffered traumatic head injuries.
Police say he was arrested at Twin River earlier this month. Now we're digging deeper into an arrest report we've obtained from Lincoln Police. Eyewitness News reporter Walt Buteau has been working the story all day. He joins us now live from outside Rhode Island Hospital, where the victim is right now.
We now know more about who is investigating this case as it moves forward, and also know more about how the family is dealing with it as their loved one remains in the hospital in critical condition. 5 Lincoln police officers described the confrontation, saying 41-year-old Daniel Finn was drunk, defiant, and belligerent, and spit blood and saliva in an officer's face. State police are investigating how Finn was injured, according to the town solicitor, who tells us an internal investigation is underway as well.
The totality of all the circumstances being taken a look at, including how the officers performed in this particular circumstance.
Police say Finn was taken down to the ground once at Twin River and a second time at the Lincoln police station. They also say he had to be forced into and out of the police car, and that on the drive to the police station, Finn continuously banged his head against the car window bars. Not nearly enough to explain the extensive injuries, according to the attorney.
There's absolutely no way. I mean, this is severe trauma which resulted in his head being swelled with blood coming out both of his ears. DeSisto
tells us he's waiting for medical records and says as the investigation continues, so far the officers involved remain on duty.
We need to take a look at the procedures that were used here, as well as the totality of the events that took place.
Dana points to several unanswered questions, including one officer's claim that Finn said he was fine right before the ambulance took him to the hospital.
He wouldn't be able to even speak with that type of a brain injury. As we see, he's on a ventilator. These reports still fail to tell us what caused that injury.
Meanwhile, DeSisto tells us there are charges pending against Finn, including assault while resisting arrest. Live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom in Providence, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.